Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. In today's digital age, cybersecurity is more important than ever. With the rise of cyber threats and attacks, it's crucial for modern professionals to have the necessary skills to protect their organizations and data. That's why Palo Alto IT Training is essential for every cybersecurity professional. Cybersecurity threats are constantly evolving, becoming more sophisticated and targeted every day. As a result, organizations are facing greater risks and challenges in protecting their sensitive information. This is where Palo Alto IT Training comes in. It equips professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to combat these threats effectively. One key insight to keep in mind is that Palo Alto IT Training offers hands-on experience with the latest technologies and tools. This allows professionals to stay ahead of the curve and be well-equipped to handle any cybersecurity issue that may arise. With this training, professionals can gain a deeper understanding of Palo Alto's advanced security features and how to use them effectively in real-world scenarios. But why choose Palo Alto IT Training specifically? Well, Palo Alto is a trusted and reputable leader in the cybersecurity industry. Their training programs are designed and delivered by experts with extensive experience in the field. Additionally, the training is constantly updated to reflect the latest industry trends and threats, ensuring that professionals are always up to date with the most relevant and effective techniques. By completing Palo Alto IT Training, professionals can also earn valuable certifications, such as the Palo Alto Network's Certified Network Security Engineer (PCNSE) certification. This not only enhances their skills and knowledge, but also boosts their credibility and career opportunities. Now you may be wondering, how can I get started with Palo Alto IT Training? Well, it's simple. Fastlane, your global IT training partner, offers a wide range of Palo Alto courses that cater to different levels of expertise and learning styles. From in-person classroom training to virtual classrooms and self-paced online courses, Fastlane has it all. So whether you're just starting in the cybersecurity field or looking to further your knowledge, Fastlane has a training program that's right for you. In conclusion, in today's digital age, cybersecurity is crucial for every organization, and Palo Alto IT Training is essential for modern cybersecurity professionals. With hands-on experience, updated training, and valuable certifications, it equips professionals with the necessary skills to protect their organizations and stay ahead of cyber threats. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.